How to solve the problem of broken needles and beads. First, let's talk about the broken needle. Broken needles are divided into two cases. One is regular needle breakage. The other is irregular needle break. First, let's talk about the regular needle break. The first is regular needle break. Every time we pull the lever, the needle breaks every time the machine starts. First, let's check the hole of the bead, whether the center position between the needle and the hole is aligned. Second, check if the device is loose. If there is looseness, tighten the screw when embroidering halfway or to a certain fixed position. For example, when we embroider to this position, it breaks every time at this position. Then we need to check the flower bore, the stitches here, or the length and size of the beads. Whether they are suitable, let the master check if the extension is appropriate. To check if it's fit and whether it runs smoothly. Long press the OK key to release. It shows F1 and then loosen the shaft. Then we push the chuck and the connecting rod by hand and the connecting rod to see if it's smooth. If it's not smooth, we need to add oil or remove the bottom knife. Check if there is any dust or foreign matter or beads and other foreign objects. The height of the bead and the steel wire. The height of the steel wire should not be lower than the bead or higher than the bead. The end of the steel wire. The end of the steel wire is about 10 threads higher. The bead comes out smoothly. Or we need to check if the parameters are suitable. Whether the parameters are right, we need to use the phones. There is a slow motion to compare and see if it is suitable. Look at the shuttle to see if there is any change or offset, whether the needle is broken by the bobbin. We have regular needle breakage. After finishing these points, let's first look at the irregular break. There are several points for random breakage. Thread tension, whether the tension is right. How about the clamping force of the clip? Our device has a circuit board. The circuit board comes with a communication cable. This is a communication line at this time. Whether the quadruple frequencies is suitable. Then we measure the terminal resistance of the last board. The back of the last board, there will be a terminating resistance plugged in. The third and fourth pins, and 5 and 6 are a set. The resistances of 3 and 4 corners and 5 and 6 corners. There is also an encoder. The encoder's pulse number is unstable, which can also cause needle breakage. Now let's summarize. Check hardware for regular breakage.
Adjust parameters for irregular needle break.
Adjust parameters and check the circuit.
Of course, there are more reasons.
Check the above problems. Basically, solve the problem.